Hi, we're Holly and Ed, and welcome to our WanderLife diary.
Cheers.
We come from a little seaside town in the southeast of England, and we're glad you're here joining us for our van life journey. We hope to share with you some of our experiences and give you a giggle along the way. In this episode, we're installing our kitchen units with some help from our handyman Brandon. We hope you enjoy it and let us know what you think. And don't forget to follow and subscribe. WanderLife diary. WanderLife diary.
There she is.
What a mess. Jeepers. We've had a bit of stroke of luck. My mum's redoing her kitchen. They've donated us their old kitchen units and we've literally just measured them and they're going to fit perfectly with just 1 inch spare. Looks like we're doing that today. These are the units. So this will be our worktop. It's a lot bigger than what these shelves are, but we're going to put a plinth on the back and make them so this will rest on the plinth. So we've got nice white cupboards. We did buy this from Marketplace in the hope that we could re-salvage it because we thought it was a bit vintagey, shabby chicy, but we don't think that it's right for us. So what we're going to do, we're going to have the units along the back there, along the window, and then all the way where this is.
You take all this curtain out, have a board this up with like a window there so you can see back from the driving cab, and then we'll tile all of the board like a proper kitchen. One of the first jobs is we've got to take down this horrible curtain that was hanging up.
Oh, but I can't feel my hands.
But it's been screwed in like all the way along the top, which you can sort of see there were just screws going on there, about 1 million screws. So we decided to save a bit of time, we'll just cut it out.
Enough!
Ta-da!
We've got all the cupboards out now. All of them. Sexy that. And look who's made his appearance. Alright, Eminem. Oh. It's Brandon. Hello. I don't know what I'm doing.
Press the button down. No, you got to press the one on your thumb first.
Down?
Yeah, and then click the trigger.
What trigger?
Careful.
That trigger. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Pull it back a bit.
Yeah.
And then do it. And then ramp it in there.
Oh, another one. I don't like it no more.
We're basically building support beams across the bottom to raise the height of the kitchen units so we can secure them to the floor and they don't fall over. Isn't it, Holly?
Yeah.
I'm not going to lose that pencil.
No.
Bodge it. Be alright, we're
Come
feeling like a
on.
bit of
Well,
blue
who's
tack
getting
over
under
it.
the van then? I think just go for it.
It's not going to stick through the bottom of the van, look.
Why?
If it sticks in the top of the petrol can, at least it'll stay in there.
Well, we're hitting the metal.
It's coming through.
Yeah.
It's coming through.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
It's coming through.
She's chatting shit. Go and check it.
I'm only joking.
Oh, what? It's not coming through then.
Yeah, we don't need another one in the middle, do we?
Yeah, I think it's better to have one.
He thinks it's better to have one, so we better have one here. Oh, that's fucking solid, that!
Put your units on there.
Oh, look nice for your help.
Go on, Ollie.
Where's the tape measure? Got it in your pocket.
Babe, I haven't.
You have, I can see it.
I swear we've done all these measurements already.
100, and then the other one's 300, so 900.
I think one done.
The cupboards are in. We've had a little bit of trouble, so we've taken one of the sides off.
Have you got a little bit of wood?
So Ed laughed at me for keeping all these little bits of wood, but actually they've come in handy. So how do you feel taking the piss out of me? Nothing to say. I didn't think so. We're just fixing the cupboards into the floor base now. What are we doing? Cutting a notch out. How good does that look? Love it.